Last week I did a video of the 3 stocks that I thought were going to give me the greatest return over the next 36 months, and this is the video. Look it up, and I actually give you a link within that video in the description to come and get a white paper that I wrote on the 3 stocks. Actually, Trent wrote it. And it gives a detail and it gives a projection of what those prices are going to be. So later in the week, I heard a report that the Iranians were hitting us with drones and hitting many of their neighbors with drones, but they also were starting a cyber attack. And I got to thinking, that's the next area that's going to give potential growth to us, the investors, if we can figure out what that's going to look like. And as I'm seeing it, I deal every day, multiple times a day, with my AI agent who does my research, who also does my mailings and gathers me information and data that I keep in my database as to how stocks are going to perform, and gives me a library so that I can refer back, and then also gives me information on the buying habits of my clients. And I thought, this is going to become my most valuable asset. The data that I create on stock research and the data that I create based on the buying activities of my clients. And I'm a small guy. This is going to be the situation in every business in the world. The most valuable asset they're going to have is the data they accumulate about their products, about their methods, and about their clients. And it's going to be thrown around in all these data centers, and it's susceptible to attacks, cyber attacks. So I thought, somebody's got to be doing something about that. So I went to Samantha and I said, am I reading this right, or is there something else that I'm missing? And she said, you're exactly right, that Palo Alto has introduced a new system called Prisma that CrowdStrike launched Charlotte AI Agent Works, and that Microsoft has created a new AI agentic workforce. And so they are all adapting to this AI change in the security of the data that we, even you, a homeowner, will eventually have. So I said, which are the stocks I should invest in of those? And they said, they're basically all fairly valued, and they aren't going to reach your objective of a double over the next 3 years. They're just too big, too cumbersome, and too fairly priced. The market knows them extremely well, so you're going to have to go somewhere else. So she came up with 5 other stocks that I should consider, and then she broke them down individually and gave me the source to analyze each one of them for cybersecurity. So what I want to do is share that analysis with you and put it in a format that you can understand it, so that you can put yourself in the position to possibly, these may be, if the advertising ones are my top 3, these might be the 4, 5, and 6 of the next 3 years. Because I think we have to recognize the big change is AI, and the data centers are going to create the AI. But once that's done, and Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are providing with this compute to provide us with AI, we've got to protect it, and that is going to be. So I think cybersecurity is a big pick. Here are my number 1, 2 and 3, VRNS, NTSK, and RBRK. Now, in the white paper, I'll break it down to exactly why each of these are the ones that we want to invest in. And then I'll also give you the price that I'm projecting, or I should say Samantha and I are projecting for each of these stocks. And then I'll give you the opportunity to come to our website and come to my tell sheet. And on my tell sheet, you'll find a link to a podcast that I've done on each of these stocks where Samantha and Bard explain to you in everyday language what each of these stocks' advantages are. And what really struck me is one of them is actually going out and buying its own data centers and saying, if we're providing this security, we also got to have the security of the source from which the cybersecurity is coming. And in other words, we don't want that our cybersecurity run in someone else's data center. So they're actually going out and buying probably Bitcoin miners all over the world so that if you sign up for them to be your cybersecurity agent, they control your data in a data center with their hardware and software to give you a level of protection that the Palo Alto and CrowdStrike and Microsoft don't. That's where this is going. And I think if you recognize that, you can make a lot of money because the market has not figured this out yet. Much as the advertising video I did last week, they don't know that you're going to be sitting on your sofa watching a football game and a commercial is going to come up with, if you like Dodge pickup trucks, with your face behind the wheel in a Dodge pickup truck and then tell you where you can go get it for the best price in your community. That's what's going to happen. Personalized advertising, personalized cybersecurity, it's all going to come down to what you need, when you need it, and the safest way to have it. So, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I want to give you the opportunity to get rich. Come to the website and get the white paper on the cybersecurity stocks, and then come to the website and get your 14 days of free look to see what this is all about and how you can change your life. That's my objective for you, to change your life for the better.